Yes, students, good morning to all of you. Now we have to start from simple present. We have to use here is, am, are. Actually, they are called linking verbs. We do not use here any main verb. See, rule first, subject is, am, are, and object. Now, almost first word of any sentence is called subject, and then we have to see where we have to use is, am, and are. Am used with I, is all third person singular, he, she, it, any name or any third person singular including who. Then are, we have to use you, we, they, any more than one name or all plural. Now look at some examples. He is a good teacher. She is my sister. They are Indians. We are your neighbors. I am always with you. You are good swimmer. Reva is a player. Who is with you? We know who is always considered as a third person singular. So these are positive sentences. We can change them into negative, interrogative, and interrogative plus negative, such as he is player. He is not player. Is he player? Is he not player? So now we have completed first part, simple present. Now you have to check yourselves. Thank you.